My name is Chimaros M. Blanco. I am 11 years old. I like study and I want to become a policewoman.
My name is Alexa Tan. I am 9 years old and I like study. I want to become a policewoman. My name is Althea Polinar, 9 years old. I like study. I want to become a teacher. My name is Shamara M. Blanco. I'm 9 years old and I like study. I want to become a teacher. My name is Maria Ishlin Bedevilagosha, 7 years old. I like study. I want to become a teacher. My name is Micah Bia Polinar, 12 years old. I want to study. I want to become a teacher. My name is Michaela Bia Polinar, 9 years old. I like to study. I want to become a teacher. My name is Celia Tegatatin. I'm 12 years old. I like to study. I want to become a policewoman. My name is Mariana Makilang. I'm 11 years old. I like to study. I want to become a policewoman. Kapag namin si May mamali. Bama Pama! Bama Pama!
Diba? Kaya go.
Once upon a time, all people live under the earth. Mama born like a bright sun, and there was no night time. One day, a goat named Mama went on a great adventure, carrying on her hand the joy to explore. We'll find treasure, mysteries, and more. Mama, I've made up my mind. I'll come alone to see what we find. And so they went to a deep, dark cave, down the tunnel, into the night. Follow me, come on, be brave. Finally, they saw something strange. What is that? What do I see? What that's blue? What can it be? A new world, a new land, with many things we don't understand. And they were many things they had never seen before. Hey, what's that? My name is Wamba. How do you do? I am Colette Amanda. And I am Paula. I am in the street. I give you a hug. If you say please, please. As Mama Pama and Emily talking with their new friends, the sun began to go down. They had never seen a sunset before. The sun is falling. What should we do? I'm afraid. I am too. They were afraid for a long time because the stars fell while I helped them understand. The sun is falling out of the sky. You're watching and wondering why. It's calling the twilight. It's just the fading light. Watch the sunset tonight. Watch the sunset tonight. Then the moon rose and it was dark. Mama, really worsened. Where is the light? Where can it be? Where is it dark? Where can I see? I think I saw something big, something scary. But the emo comforted the children. There's nothing to fear. There are no monsters here. Then the kangaroo sang. The sun is going out of the sky. You're watching and wondering why it's called the moonlight. It's just the starlight. Go to sleep tonight. Go to sleep tonight. And so, Mama Pama, in the morning, the wombat woke